Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The IELTS King. My name is Harshit Mantri, and in today's video, I am going to teach you about cue card number 2, that is describe a rule that is important to your school or at your workplace. तो आपकी स्कूल में आपके जॉब प्लेस पे कोई पर्टिकुलर रूल हो जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो, तो उसके बारे में आपको बोलना है 2 मिनट के लिए. सो आई विल गो विथ द वेरी कॉमन वन जो आप सबने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू वेयरिंग यूनिफॉर्म. ये रूल मेरे हिसाब से हर किसी की स्कूल में होगा, एंड the importance of wearing uniform is what I'm going to cover in today's video. So let's begin, and I'll give you the idea how you can speak for this topic for 2 minutes. Well, there are many rules that were made in my school and even in my workplace, but there was one particular rule initially which I did not like, but later on I started liking it, and now I can understand the importance of it. That one important rule in my school was about wearing school uniform. So every student here in my school is required to wear a proper uniform which consists of neatly pressed shirt, trouser. For girls they had to wear skirts. Then we also had to wear tie, and we had to keep our shoes polished, and the shoes had to be formal shoes. This rule is important for many reasons. Firstly, it creates a sense of discipline and equality among all the students, ensuring that everyone is treated the same regardless of their background, financial background. Secondly, it reduces distractions, allowing students to focus more on their studies and rather than focusing about their clothing. Lastly, I can say it promotes a sense of school identity and pride, making students feel more connected towards their institution or towards their school. The uniform rule also helps to maintain a professional and respectful learning environment. Without it, students might wear casual clothes, inappropriate clothing, which could lead to competition or peer pressure or even bullying sometimes, ragging sometimes. I believe this rule is necessary because it teaches students about discipline, unity, and respect for rules, which are valuable life skills. While some students might find it restrictive, as I also used to feel, but I think it helps to prepare them for the future workplaces where dress codes are also followed. So this is all about that one particular rule that I think all schools have to implement if they have yet not implemented. So guys, this is how you can speak for 2 minutes on this particular topic. आप इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें ऐड कर सकते हो. जैसे आप बता सकते हो कि मेरी स्कूल में व्हाइट शर्ट था, ब्लैक पैंट था, फॉर्मल शूज था, मंडे टू फ्राइडे ये था, और सैटरडे के लिए स्पोर्ट्स डे में अलग क्लोथिंग थे. तो आप वो सारी चीजें भी, अगर आपको कंटेंट स्ट्रेच करना हो तो आप यूज कर सकते हो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आप इसका एंगल वर्क प्लेस पे भी बता सकते हो कि जैसे मेरी स्कूल में यूनिफॉर्म का रूल था, उस टाइम अच्छा नहीं लगता था, बट वही रूल मेरी कंपनी में फॉर्मल क्लोथ्स पहनने का रूल था, और वहां पे जाके मुझे उसका इंपॉर्टेंस समझ में आया. तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हट जाता है. कास्ट, कल्चर, रिलीजन, एवरीथिंग, एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली. तो आप उसका इंपॉर्टेंस भी इसके अंदर ऐड कर सकते हो. तो आप, मैंने जो बोला है उसमें से आइडियाज लीजिए, प्लस ऐड ऑल दिस आइडियाज एंड प्रिपेयर योर ओन टॉपिक. So I hope you really like this video, and if you have yet not liked, share and subscribe this channel, then do it right away. Thank you so much.